Vais doing a little info, maybe a little, call it an impromptu gear review as well, for treestuff.com. So, I don't know, some people might know about this one, but I feel like a lot of people don't. So here I am, up in one part of, say, a maple or something, and I want to get over there, but it's not quite like a hook distance, and say, especially if I'm close to my tie-in point, so my lead out short, it's a little closer than a hook. I'm not gonna like pull up my hook system and sling my hook in and weasel my way over there, do all that, when I can just take my tail, toss it out over the branch that I'm trying to get to, have my groundies pull on that end, put tension, body weight, whatever, and then I slide down, they pull me over. Or I basically pull myself over, but they keep my rope from moving. And then, once I'm out there, I'm way out here on this limb walk, well, I drop my tail down to them, and then they hold it as I advance my ass back to where I need to be. So, when you're doing SRS, put your groundies to work, man. They make a good counterweight. It's basically a reverse belay on the opposite end of your SRS system. It works extremely well.